What's up guys? Fun times with the 1VR power steering leak. So I found the lines that were the culprits and I took them out. I think the leak is coming out of here somewhere. I got cursed to turn the steering wheel while I was in there and just started spraying. So we took these lines out and I'm contemplating whether I should just get braided lines or just get these lines repaired. So just driving this thing. But I may as well upgrade a few things while we're at it, you know what I'm saying? So that's the power steering reservoir there. That's the power steering pump down there. That's the banjo bolt that was previously connected to it. So that's the whole line going out that way was disconnected, and the line exiting there as well. Collect all that fluid, and that's where they connected up just there. And I also cut my arm. Fuck. Car's hurt, bros. What's breaking, gang? So we ended up going to Motorsport Connections and getting the parts that we needed. We've got these, so the power steering leak was coming out of one of these pressure hoses. There's like a slight split here somewhere. And because it is a high pressure system, every time you turn the wheel, it was just pissing out power steering fluid. So this bad boy here, some 200 spec Teflon braided wire, braided hose. So see the hose and it's braided on the outside, and these fittings here from Speedflow. You wanna know how much all this cost? I mean, it's just some hose and some fittings, right? Altogether, $340 for this shit. Yep, this shit ain't cheap, man. I tried to find some OEM replacements, but there is no such thing as OEM replacements for such old Nissan parts. You gotta go custom. So we better whip this shit together, custom, and get it slapped in. So just attach the fucking... Now, is it really a DIY unless you have to go to Bunnings to get a part that you don't have? No, it's not. Today we're going to be putting... What's going on, gang? Today... What's going on, gang? Today we're going to be putting braided power steering hose on the Sylvia. So this is the final destination of it. As you can see, voila, those are our braided lines. Boom, the fittings going in to the the steering rack. Yeah. Alright, good morning. So the power steering lines are done. All we have to do now is slap some fluid in. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, it's rained. Show you guys the actual lines there. Check this out. Get under there. Check it out, baby. Braided power steering lines. So I've just tucked it on the steering rack there. Put some cable ties to secure it there. Should be sweet. I mean, I'll probably scrape that part. Yeah. There's the fittings there. Did I show you these yesterday? I feel like I did. She's looking pretty sad, hasn't been cleaned or driven in a while. Sylvia done, I think. Just gonna see if that drain thing needs a different hose. And as for the Land Cruiser, real quick, I'm gonna install this radiator drain plug. Because I think the one that we've got now, the O-ring, might be a bit how you going. So I just bought a new one. I'm gonna slap that puppy in. Alright, we're making a couple sales today. Gotta make some sacrifices and liquidate some belongings. I know I'm gonna regret this one, but 180SX pig nose front bar. Genuine. Just needs a bit of paint. It's got the brackets. 500. We got this toe ball hitch, which came with the Land Cruiser. $30. Finally, fiberglass reinforced 180SX Type X lip. 1.7. It's quick, man. It's 700 right there.